My day started well. That previous evening, I had gone at my friend's place for a birthday bash, which is a bit closer to Hostel I, where my boyfriend resides also. So the bash ended up very late, at around midnight. So I decided to go and spend the night at my boyfriend's place. In order to avoid the walk of shame, I decided to wake up early in the morning, that was 6 a.m. to go back to my place. Reaching out for the stairs, I had a loud blast, only to realize that the building was collapsing.
What might have caused the building to collapse?
Okay, according to my own research and the days that I've been here in school, the building could have collapsed because it has some huge cracks on the corners of the walls, and also the rains that fall overnight, and also this building has weak foundation.
What really happened?
Okay, giving an account of what really actually happened, it was in the wee hours of the morning when the tragedy actually occurred. I was having what I could exercise on I could plan on the day's activity. And fortunately enough, there were some unusual sounds from the hostel. In an attempt to get out so I could confirm what was actually happening in the nearby rooms, the building came trembling down. I can't give an account of actually what happened next, because my little efforts to escape from the scene were materialized by the rescue team from the Red Cross.
At what time did the building collapse?
It was actually around 4:30 in the morning.
Are there some of your friends that are still caught up in the debris of the building?
That I will come to confirm later, since I was rescued, so maybe we can confirm from those who are rescued too if they are somewhere still inside the room or they are actually outside the building.
Did the building have some signs of collapsing?
Actually, yes. There was some part which was stayed for long without completion. So due to the heavy rainfall that had been experienced of late in our school, there were some cracks, some signs of weakening of the walls. So see, this followed and there occurred an heavy downpour, which led to the further weakening of the walls, which caused the trembling of the walls, and thereby caused the fall of the building.
What have been the cause of the collapse?
I'll first say weak foundations. For a building to be stable and to avoid the incidents of collapsing, you need to have very strong and solid foundations. So in the process of building, you need to consider the solidity of the soil in relation to the building and its components. Yeah. Then I'd also say counterfeit materials. Sometimes the contractors and the builders, they use counterfeit materials such as scrap metals instead of steel. This leads to collapsing of buildings in the near future.
And are there complaints you had received about the building before its collapse?
Not really. I didn't receive quite any complaint. I didn't.
So, what is your office doing to ensure that such cases are prevented in future?
First of all, we're organizing a mass education for the contractors and the builders to help them to know the various ways in which you're supposed to avoid the mistakes when you're building, to avoid such incidences of collapsing. Then we are also enforcing measures to ensure that the contractors who are concerned with the building processes are legit and are certified. Yeah.
The building collapsed at around 5:30 a.m. Yeah. Where were you at the building collapse?
I was in the security office at the administration block, and I had commotion, and as it's my job, I had to go and do. And suddenly, I realized that the whole thing was collapsing. That's when we had to take action immediately and call the all 600 students. Yeah, 600. So far, how many rescued and how many are doing? The ones that were sure I say are 150 students, but we are not sure how many students were in the hostel at the time of Saturday. But for now, we're sure about 100 buses, but unfortunately, what is the condition of the students? Yeah, they are definitely being traumatized, but right now, we are renting a psychologist family, and help with the scope of psychological issues. There are some of them that are in condition. That we cannot confirm for now. Yeah.
The psychological state at the moment is not right for them to go back to the education in a normal way. So we are going to get guidance and counseling services for all those students, and also their property will be replaced.
Are there plans to resettle them to other hostels?
Yes, they definitely will be resettled because they cannot come back to this hostel as the state right now it has to be demolished.
What measures are you going to take to ensure that such occurrences will not happen again?
Okay, as you can see right now, we have members of the National Construction Authority. After we are done with all this rescue, we are going to have them inspect all the buildings in the school. That will be to ensure that something like this never happens again in the school.
Smart Sound.